Lakad-lakad lang pag may time. Lakad-lakad pag may time. That's Mama and Ate. We are walking. Walking exercise time. We are in Long Beach. Nasaan yung yate natin dyan? I think that's the one last dance. Phoenix, Arizona, they don't have ocean there.
I think they have lakes though.
They do. They do, yeah. Yeah. Where? There's a lot of fish out there. But you cannot go fishing. So that's the Queen Mary down there. Wala yung ano ngayon? Yung cruise liner na passenger ship.
Oh yeah.
Remember? That's their terminal right there, next to the Queen Mary.
We're so close. I know. Queen Mary. I still want to go America. We've been once.
Maganda ngayon ang ano? Magandang weather. Sunny but not hot. Ganda talaga maglakad dito sa Long Beach area na to, no? Sarap tingnan ng mga yate na yun.
For what? 10 minutes?
Yeah, very close now to the Queen Mary Hotel. Lapit natin yan. Yan yung Queen Mary. Pero hindi na siya nagsisale. Ginawang hotel. Katabi niyan, dyan nagdadock yung mga cruise liner. Mga passengers sa ship. Tuloy ang lakad. Iniwan na ako ng mag-ina. Nandun na sila. Tingnan mo natin yung downtown Long Beach. Yun yung hotel na yan. I think that's Marriott. Hyatt, Marriott. Katabi kasi yan. Daming high-rise buildings sa downtown Long Beach. Waiting for me, guys? Okay. Yan lang muna ang update natin. Mga kapatid, tayo ay lakad-lakad lang muna. Day of time. We are free to walk. Exercise muna pag may time. Yan ang aking dalawang angels. Yung isa Ate and Mama. Alright guys, see you later. Babos.